Okay, good morning guys. So today there's another additional strategy that I'm going to also add on your there's another additional strategy that I'm going to add. So remember guys, if you want to purchase the book, you just go to the first comment that I leave in the video, then you push that link. Once you push that link, it will definitely automatically direct you to WhatsApp, and then we can take it from there. So guys, this is what it is now. Remember, there's a 87 strategy, and then there's a hot and cold strategy. Both of these strategies are in the books. So I'm showing you each and every day, because some people don't understand what a book has. A book has got strategies and tips on how to calculate and get numbers for UK Fortnite. It's not like the book has got the numbers, not like that. No one knows the numbers until they're dropped on that machine. We only do the predictions and stuff. Okay, perfect. So this other strategy, you guys, for adding previous bonuses, which is T and what? Which was lunch and the T for yesterday. So you say 4 plus 30 times 87. 87 is the formula that I use in UK Fortnite. People use different formulas to calculate codes and stuff. So each and every predator has got his own way of predicting. But this is the one that I approve. It's been working like for so long. Okay, cool. So it's going to be 4 plus 30 times 87. Let us go to the calculator and cross check. Okay, let me open my calculator there. Where's my calculator? We go there. We say 4 plus 30 times 87. We get 2614. So we say now 4 plus 30 times 87. We get what? 26. What is 2614? We get 2614. So let me just 2614. Let's do this so that we are accurate, because some people 2614. So this is our code now, because remember I said I'm just going to say times 87. I'll put an F so that you know that 87 is what? Is a formula, in case, because I don't want you guys to get lost. Okay, cool. So our code now is done. It's 2614. And then now watch the space in the hot and cold. These are hot numbers. You can even Google them online and say hot and cold numbers for UK Fortnite. You're going to get them, or sometimes they do appear on a lot of apps. So this is what you do with hot and cold. You say 6 plus 25 plus 42. This time you're going to multiply by 49. Why 49? Because it's 6 numbers out of 49. And then you're going to divide by what? Once you get the answer, you're going to divide by 6, not 7, because it's 649. It's 6 balls out of 49, so you don't include the bonus here. It's not like 749, because 749 does not have a bonus, but just got 7 balls. Okay, cool. So let's go. I'm going to show you what I mean. Let's go to the calculator so we're all accurate. Guys, these strategies, I write them down and then I end up writing the books, because there's a lot in the mind about these numbers. So let's say equals. Let's go to the calculator. It's going to be 6 plus 25 plus 42. So I'll say 6 plus 25 plus 42. It gives me 73. And then I'm going to say times 49. I get 2089. And then I'll say divide by 6. It gives me 348. Accurate number. So now let me say equals, let me say sum. I'm putting in mathematics now, guys. As you know, it's all about mathematics. And then divide by 6. Let me say divide by 6. Divide by 6 by 6. Then we're going to get our answer as 348. Don't worry about everything about after the comma. It's just not going to work on what you want. So it's 34, 43, 48, 38. Now you're breaking your code in this way. You see, already I've got that code 348. It means that the numbers, they will range from 34, 43, 48, 38, because those are hot numbers. This I mean, like, I used the hot numbers to create that. And then I'm going to the cold numbers. Let me just explain this phrase before, because I know some of you are not understanding what is a hot, what is a cold number. A hot number is a number that keeps on playing, repeating. A cold number is a number that is not playing, or let me say it's a number that is not playing, but it can drop anytime. And then an overdue number is a number that normally comes at the bonus ball. Like, for example, you see, I'll show you what I mean. Let's first do the cold numbers. So also say 12 plus 28 plus 47. Those are cold numbers. And then you multiply by what? By 49. By 49. Let us go to the calculator and see. Our cold numbers 12, 28, 47. Okay. It's 12, 28, 47 times 49. We get 426. And then we divide by 6. We get 710. I'll show you something. So our answer was 710. Actually, because I can't write everything down here. Now you see the reason why we have the books is because of that. So there's a 7, there's a 17 there at the 710. And then with the overdue numbers, I won't do anything with overdue numbers. Overdue numbers, you play them as like this, which means a powerful banker today is 26. Because on the overdue numbers, you can see there's what? There's a 26. And on our first chord there, if you check the one from 87, it also gives us what? Where is that one which I did from 87? At the bottom there. This one, there's a 26 here. You see there's a 26. So it means you can do this. You can say 26, 14, 26, 41, 26, 35, 26, 5. You understand? And another thing, guys, you must understand that this is also Betway and this is also UK Fortnite. And then there's another powerful strategy that I'm going to add again here on this video, because this is going to be a long video ever. I don't like to make long videos because at the end of the day they confuse my people. And then the last strategy that I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to this one, to this one. You see this? We're going to use lunch T. So what we're going to do, we use these numbers at the bottom, the last two digits, which is 44 plus 45 plus 55. 55 is a formula that comes from 649. When we add, let me say, when you say 6 plus 49, you get what? 55. So don't get confused where I got the 55. So you say 44, let's go there. You say 44, 45, let's see something. You say 44 plus 45 plus 55, you get 144. And then, which means now we're going to use that same formula. So 14 is a powerful number that is going to drop. So let me just end this section here. And then I said 44 plus 45 plus formula F. If you see an F is a formula, 55. It gives us a 144. So once you get a 144, this is what you do. You add or subtract. When you add 14 plus 4, it gives us an 18. 14 minus that, it gives us a 10. That 710 now, it shows us that the 10 will also drop. If you say 1 plus 44, it gives us a 45. 1 minus 44, it gives us a 43. That 43 that you saw there on top on the hot and colds, it means that the 43 also is a good number. So guys, you see how for you to get 7 numbers correct, or let me say 5 numbers correct, you have to use 4 or 5, or sometimes I use 10 strategies just to crack a 4 or 5 number. You understand now why we are having the books. It's because of that. You have to know all those strategies so that whenever you are predicting, now you know, okay, I've done, because this is work, I've done my 10 strategies. Now I'm confident about this 3 number or about this 4 number. What you do, just take 20 rand, you play 4 numbers. You know that. Or let me just say you've got 50 rand or 20 bucks. You play 4 lines of 4 numbers with 5 rand. 4 numbers played by 5 rand is 25k, which is something else. Understand? So take this as a job. I'm not saying quit your job, but take it as a side hustle, like, take a paper and a pen. They can laugh at you at work when they see you predicting, but when you win, they'll start to ask, how did you do this? How did you understand? I know people are like that. People, they only believe when they see money, but when there's no money, they'll be like, what is she doing, or what is he doing? He's not stealing, he's predicting numbers to make a living, which is good. You understand? So guys, this is what it is. For those of you still need to purchase books, as you can see my work, I demonstrate, I show you guys how it works. Thank you very much. I'll see you on the next one. I hope you guys will boom big like today. Thank you. Okay.